Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I am also fine, kids. Today in EVS, we are going to start new chapter. Chapter number 12. Chapter number? Yes, and the name of the chapter is Animal World. Very nice. Animal. You know animals? Huh? Anyone? Very good. Cow, dog, horse, lion. Very nice. All these are fish is also animal. Very nice. Dolphin. Very nice. So these are animals. Very nice, kids. So these are animals? Huh? Okay. Kids, remember in your previous class, in your class prep, you learn about domestic animals, wild animals, and pet animals. Are you remember? Huh? Okay. To tell me what do you mean by wild animals? Better one by one only. Raise your hand if you know. Come in. Okay, Vedant, tell me wild animals. Very nice. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe. These are wild animals. But why we call them wild animals? Why? Why we call lion is a wild animal? How do we know about it? हमें ये कैसे पता चला? They are wild animals. Tell me. Very good. Because they live in jungle. Clapping for Devansh. Okay. Wild animals. Devansh. But Devansh, Vedant giving me the wrong answer and Devansh gave me right answer, right? Okay. So, we call lion, tiger, elephant, deer, monkey wild animals. Why we call them wild animals? Because they live in, because all these animals live in jungle. So, we call them wild animals. So, where do wild animals live? Yes, in the forest, in the jungle. Okay, forest means jungle. Jungle or forest is the home of wild animals, right? Okay, now tell me domestic animals. Very nice. Okay. Wait, Praveen, tell me. Don't raise your hand. Praveen, domestic animal. Very nice. Cow, horse. Very nice. Is lion domestic animal? Elephant is domestic? No. Yes. Cow, goat, sheep, right? Dog is a pet animal. What are you doing? Vedant, sit properly. Pet. Listen. Cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, pig. They live around us. They are domestic animals. Why we call them domestic animal? Sit down, Navya. Why we call cow is a domestic animal? How do we know? हमें कैसे पता चला? Because they live in farms, right? They live in farms or near our home. या तो हमारे घर के पास में रहते हैं या फिर farms में रहते हैं, है ना? Right? Okay. One thing of pet animals. You learn about it from the prep class. Very nice. Dog, cat, rabbit. These are pet animals. Why we call them pet animals? Because they live with us in our home. क्योंकि वो आपके साथ आपके घर में रहते हैं, right? So we call them pet animal. Okay. So all these animals about this type you have already learned in your prep class, right? What we learn in this class? I know, beta, but for the wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals, you already learn about it in your prep class. Prep class में आपने already पढ़ रखा है ना इनके बारे में, है ना? But what is new in this chapter? What is new? In this chapter, you know that you learn about that which animal lives on land, which wild or domestic or pet animals live on land, live in water, or both. Okay, both means animals that live on land or in water, जो water में भी रहते हैं और land में भी रहते हैं, right? And also wild animals, pet animals and domestic animals. And also you learn about the insects in this chapter. Okay, so ready? Yes. Okay. Ready? Yes. Okay, so first category. First is which type we have to learn about? We learn about land animals. Which animal? Okay, land में surface of the earth, right? So we learn about land animals. What are land animals? Animals that live on land. Animals that live on land are called land animals. Right? Like कौन-कौन से animals है जो land पे रहते हैं? Cow, dog, rabbit, horse, lion, tiger, all live in. Crocodile is both on land and in water, not land only. नहीं, crocodile बेटा दोनों में रहता है. Crocodile is both on land and in water. दोनों में ही रह सकता है. Okay? Same, duck भी. Right, frog भी. But we learn about the only land animals. ऐसे animals जो सिर्फ land पर रहते हैं. Right? Is crocodile live on land only? No, na? So listen to ma'am. What I told you every time that better listen to ma'am first, then speak. Speak less and listen more. Listen to your teachers more and more. And speak calm. Okay? You have to less speaking in the class. Come follow. Listen what is ma'am saying to you. So we learn about that land animals, animals that live only land, सिर्फ land पर रहते हैं, right? अर्थ की surface पे रहते हैं, like horse, dog, rabbit and horse. Tell me the two other names, okay, instead of them, who lives on land? इनके अलावा कौन land पे रहते हैं? Yes, you? Yes? Cat, very nice. डॉग तो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, इसके अलावा बताओ बेटा. Lion, very nice. Lion, tiger, deer, zebra, bear. They live on land. Navika, why are you playing? Elephant, very nice. Elephant is the largest land animal. Giraffe is the tallest land animal because giraffe has long neck. Giraffe की neck कैसी है? So giraffe is the tallest land animal and elephant is the largest land animal. सारे land animal में सबसे बड़ा है elephant. Okay? Clear? Listen. Now next are water animal. Next are what do first we know why we call fish, octopus and shark water animal. हम इनको water animal क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because they live, yes, because they live only in water. Because they live only in, ये कहाँ रहते हैं? सिर्फ वाटर में रहते हैं. वाटर के अलावा ना लैंड पे रहते हैं, ना लैंड एंड वाटर में रहते हैं, ना स्काई में फ्लाई करते हैं. दे ओनली लिव इन वाटर. So animals that live in water, we call them water animal. Understood? Yes. So what are the names? Fish lives in only in water. Whale? Yeah. Octopus? Yes, they live in water. Okay, so they are water animals because they live only in water. Okay, Kapil, why whale is water animal? हम whale को water animal क्यों बोल रहे हैं बेटा? हाँ, because they live only in water. Because, speak with me, because they live only in water. So they are water animal. Okay, clear? Clear? And where land animals live? Where they live? Where they live? Where land animals live? Land animals कहाँ रहते हैं? Where they all live? बेटा, where do wild animals live? Where do land animals live? Land animals कहाँ रहते हैं? वाटर में रहते हैं या लैंड पे? So where do land animals live? On land. And where do water animals live? In the water. Nice. Very nice. समझ आया इतना? Listen. बेटा आप लोग क्या स्पीक करते हैं? तो यू हैव टू लिसन टू मैम मोर एंड मोर. मैम को ज्यादा से ज्यादा सुनो. स्पीकिंग लेस स्पीकिंग होना चाहिए आपके क्लास में. ओके, एंड हियर टू योर मैम व्हाट मैम इज सेइंग. यू आर कंटिन्यूअसली स्पीकिंग. यस यू कैन go. You can go. Now next animal who live both on land and in water. अब next animals वो हैं जो land पे भी रहते हैं और water. Sit properly. This is your class. Class is running here. Class चल रही है. So why are you looking back side? आप लोगों ने सोच ही रखा है ना कि मैम तो हमें डांटे. मैम स्कॉल्ड अस कंटिन्यूअसली. वी आर टॉकिंग. हाँ, लिसन, लुक एट फ्रंट, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन इन द क्लास. जब तक आप समझोगे नहीं आपको चैप्टर ओके अंडरस्टैंड नहीं हो पाएगा ना. यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द चैप्टर. यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन इन द क्लास. ओके, for that. So animals like beta animals like tortoise, frog, duck and crocodile. They live both on land and in आपने देखा होगा ना कि ये लैंड पे भी आ जाते हैं और वाटर में भी चले जाते हैं, है ना. डक तो वाटर में स्विम करती है राइट, और लैंड पे भी रहती है. सेम क्रोकोडाइल वाटर में भी रहता है, लैंड पे भी रहता है राइट. एंड फ्रॉग इज आल्सो लिव इन वाटर एंड ऑन लैंड टू राइट. सो these are the animals that live in both. Okay, one ask a question. Yes, Riyanshi. One student are going now. Already one student out of the class for the washroom. You have to wait for it. Okay? What? Very nice. Frog eat insects. Okay. Now let us understood. आपको इतना समझ आया? Everyone understood? Come beta. Now Riyanshi, you can go. Listen, you both. Listen. Is it done? Have you understood? Yes. Okay, now let me ask the questions to you. Okay. Now you, Yukti, stand up. Tell me two water animals name. Two water animals name. No, don't raise your hand. You don't know water animals name? Very nice. One more, fish and yes, Navika. Is fish live in water? Is crocodile is a water animal? Why are you speaking in between, beta? I'm not asking to you. Sit. You don't know water animals? No, Vedant. Ditya. Why you are not paying attention? Yukti. Octopus and one more. Octopus and one more. So she's speak beta louder. Fish and dolphin, octopus. These animals live in water. Clapping for Ditya. Sit down. Now Priyanshi, sit. Pay attention in the class. Yes, you Priyanshi, stand up. Tell me two land animals name. Land animals name. You don't know what are land animals? Where is your attention in the class, beta? Where is your attention? कहाँ है आपका ध्यान? Nothing. Blank. Yes, Kapesh. To land animals name. These are the kids who are not paying attention in the class and every time they are playing in the class. Why? Let me give you punishment. Ready? हाँ Kapesh. Manvika. To land animals name. What are you saying? Are you crazy? You don't know land animals? Yes, Prabir. Cow. Very nice. Dog. Very nice. Cow and dog. These are land animals because they live on land. मानविका आपको पता नहीं है लैंड एनिमल्स लैंड पे रहते हैं आपको इतना नहीं पता लैंड पर कौन कौन से एनिमल्स रहते हैं लैंड मीन्स जमीन पे रहने वाले एनिमल्स Why are you not paying attention in the class? Most of the students of class first. Please keep quiet. Sit. Yes, you. Navika, stand up. Tell me the name of the animals that live in both on land and in water. Very nice. Crocodile and one more. Very nice. Crocodile and Duck. They live both on land and in water. Clapping for Navika. She is a good girl and paying attention in the class. Very nice. Sit down. Come in. No, sit. Done? Okay, now come to wild animals. You already learn about wild animals? Where do wild animals live? Where do they live? They live. A second. What I'm asking to you? Stand up. Huh? I'm asking to you, where do wild animals live? And you say lion. Wild animals lion में रहते हैं. So listen to ma'am. What ma'am is saying. Where do wild animals live? In the jungle or in the forest. You can tell both. दोनों बता सकते हो. Wild animals live in forest or live in the jungle. Like which animal lives in jungle or forest? Lion, monkey, elephant and giraffe. बेटा ये आपको मोस्टली फॉरेस्ट में देखने को मिलते हैं. आपके हाउस के नियर बाय मिलते हैं क्या? लायन आपके घर के पास में मिलता है. सो वेयर दे डू लिव? वो कहाँ रहते हैं? They live in the jungle. So we call them wild animal. Okay? They are wild animal and land animal too. ये wild animal भी है और land animal भी है. ऐसे dog pet animal भी है तो land animal भी है. समझ आया? Understood? Okay. Now there is a do you know for you. So we already discussed is which is the tallest animal? Because giraffe has long neck. Giraffe का neck कैसा है? बहुत long है. So it is the tallest animal. And if we talk about elephant, it is the largest land animal. Okay? Land पर रहने वाला सबसे बड़ा animal है. Elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal. Okay? Who live on land. Sit down, Kapes. Sit, Manvika. Okay, now next is pet animals. You know pet animal live with us in our home. Pet animals हमारे साथ कहाँ रहते हैं? हमारे हाउस में, हमारे होम में हमारे साथ रहते हैं. Like dog and cat. So we call them pet animals. Okay. So how many of you have pet animals? आप कितने बच्चों के पास pet animals हैं? You have pet animal? Manvika, you? What you have? Dog. And you? Dog. And you? And you? Dog. Cat. Wow. So mostly kids have dogs. You have the name of your pet? Name है उसका? What's the name? Rocky. Rocky and Tuffy. And what's the name of your dog? Simba. And yours? Huh? Wait. What's the name of your dog? पैट का क्या नेम है आपके पास? और किसके पास पैट है? बस. Okay. If we have a pet animal, we have to take care of it. Beta, listen. If you have pet animal, listen. You, Manvika, take the distance. Take distance. You also take distance. Beta, listen. If you have pet animals, then you have to take care of it. अगर आपके पास pet animal है, तो आपको उसका क्या करना है? केयर करना है. So how can we take care of pet animal? हमें pet animal का कैसे take care करना है? वेदांत, कैसे take care करोगे बेटा pet animal का? We give it clean food, clean water and Proper food to the pet animal. You have to provide proper food and clean drinking water to your pet. आपको अपने पेट को प्रॉपर फूड देना है और क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर देना है. Very nice. You have Jerry and okay, wow. So how should we take care of our pets? हमें अपने पेट की कैसे टेक केयर करनी चाहिए? By giving them proper food and clean drinking water. आपको उनको बिल्कुल क्लीन वाटर देना है, ऐसे नहीं कि आपको डर्टी वाटर दे रहे हैं. You have to give it clean drinking water and proper food, and you have to provide them good shelter. आपने देखा होगा ना कि कुछ पीपल्स अपने पेट्स के लिए शेल्टर्स बनाते हैं, होम बनाते हैं. जैसे डॉग लिव्स इन कैनल. डॉग के हाउस को क्या बनाते हैं? कैनल में रहते हैं ना डॉग. ओके. एंड वी शुड नेवर टीज एनिमल्स. वी शुड नेवर टीज. हमें कभी एनिमल्स को परेशान नहीं करना. ओके. वी शुड ट्रीट देम लव एंड केयर. आपको अपने पेट को लव करना चाहिए, इसकी केयर करनी चाहिए. अब केयर कैसे करोगे? प्रॉपर फूड प्रोवाइड करवाओगे, क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्रोवाइड कराओगे, गिव देम प्रॉपर शेल्टर. ओके. यू हैव टू लव योर पेट्स, राइट? ओके. इज इट क्लियर? हाउ शुड वी टेक केयर ऑफ आवर पेट्स? आप जिस भी एनिमल को पाल रहे हो या एनिमल जो आपके फार्म में रह रहे हैं, आप उनकी कैसे टेक केयर करोगे? वी शुड नॉट नेवर टीज एनिमल. कभी किसी भी एनिमल को आपको टीज नहीं करना है, परेशान नहीं करना है, राइट? अंडरस्टूड? नाउ birds can fly. Birds can. You see birds? Birds fly. Birds कहाँ fly करते हैं? In the sky, right? Animals fly in the sky. Very nice. Listen. Look at how can they fly? How can birds fly? उनके पास ऐसा कौन सा पार्ट्स होता है जिससे वो fly करते हैं? Wings. Birds have wings to fly in the sky, right? So birds के पास में बेटा wings होते हैं. देखो, जिसकी हेल्प से ये fly करते हैं. They can fly in the air with the help of wings. With the help of, इनके पास wings होते हैं. अब birds नेम कौन कौन से हो गए? Sparrow, pigeon, eagle, very nice. Parrot, crow, very nice. Hawk, cock. Yes, these are birds. They can fly. They can fly. But do you know some birds cannot fly? कुछ ऐसे birds भी हैं जिनके पास wings हैं, but they cannot fly. और ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird. सबसे बड़ा bird है. Very good. Okay, listen. Listen to ma'am. What you have to? You have to listen ma'am. Ma'am क्या बोल रहे हैं पहले वो सुनो, है ना? Mostly birds can fly. Kapil. Mostly birds can. Yuvanshi. ज्यादातर बर्ड फ्लाई कर सकते हैं, but some birds cannot. Who are they? Ostrich. Yes. आपने ऑस्ट्रिच देखा है? Ostrich is the largest bird. And the animal like kiwi and penguin also cannot fly. They can. Wings, they have wings. but they cannot fly. Why they cannot fly? पता है? Because their body is too heavy. उनकी body heavy होती है, इसलिए वो fly नहीं कर पाते. But they are birds and they cannot fly. Which part of the bird has it to fly? बर्ड का वो कौन सा पार्ट है जो उसको हेल्प करता है फ्लाई करने में? Wings. Yuvanshi, tell me the name of two birds that cannot fly. Oh, it's too much raining outside, right? Huh? Have you heard the sound of rain? Too much heavy rain outside. What? Wait. Tell me which bird cannot fly? Huh? Bird name. Dog is a bird? Tell me the name of two birds that cannot fly. Yes, Ivanshi Rathod. Yes, ostrich. Very good. Ostrich, penguin. These birds cannot fly. ये उड़ नहीं सकते हैं. And which is the largest bird? Which is the largest bird? Ostrich is the largest bird. Okay. Now, the last topic of insect. You see, these are insects. Hey, you. Sit properly. Insects have 6 legs. Mostly animals have 4 legs. ज्यादातर legs animals के पास कितनी legs होती है बेटा? 4 legs. Animals के पास कितनी legs होती है? But insects are the animals. Insects ऐसे animals होते हैं that have 6 legs. Insects के पास कितने legs होती है? And they are very small animals. They are very small animals. So what are insects? Very small animals. Very small animals. Speak with me. Are called insects. How many legs insects have? 6. Insects के पास कितनी legs है? बेटा, yes, come in. They also have wings to fly. Insects के पास भी देखो wings है, जैसे butterfly. Butterfly कितनी beautiful होती है, colorful होती है. Devansh, listen what ma'am is saying to you. Butterfly की wings कैसे होते हैं? Colorful होते हैं. Birds beautiful होती है. हाँ, and it's a wings to fly. But ये bird नहीं है. Butterfly is not a bird. This is the last time. सुनो मैम क्या बोल रहे हैं. बटरफ्लाई के पास विंग्स है, तो क्या बटरफ्लाई बर्ड है? No. Butterfly is a very small animal, so we called it insect. And it have how many legs? 6. All the insects have 6 legs. कितनी legs होती है? आपके पास कितनी legs है? 2. Very nice. And animals have 4 legs. Animals के पास 6 legs है. Lion के पास 6 legs है. Animals have, cow have, tiger have, so they have 4 legs. But insects have, हाँ बताओ, ant के पास कितने legs है? काउंट करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ant है. So ant is a insect or bird? Insect. Very nice. Lost? Insect. And housefly? Insect. Insects क्या होते हैं बेटा? Very small animals. Very small animals are called insects. Right? Understood? Yes, Prabhat. Now, beta, listen. Stick insect. Talk about insect. Stick insect. मतलब चिपकने वाले. Stick होते हैं. Yes. They are a walking stick. ये कैसे होते हैं? एक walking stick होते हैं. Stick insect. It look like a brown green stick. ये आपको एक stick के जैसे दिखते हैं. तो इसका क्या नेम है? स्टिक इंसेक्ट. नेम इसलिए स्टिक इंसेक्ट है क्योंकि ये दिखने में भी बिल्कुल स्टिक जैसा दिखता है. ओके ओके. When you go to your home, then you have to watch this video again at home and give me the answer of 3 questions. Okay, you have to give me in a comment box. Okay, largest land animal name, second tallest land animal, and largest bird. You have to give me the 3 questions answer in the comment box. Okay, when you watch the video at home. Okay, clear? This is the task for today. Clear? So your chapter is complete. And how should we take care of animals? How should we take care of them? By giving them proper food and clean drinking water, and by providing them shelter, right, and never tease animals को टीच करना है? परेशान करना है? नो. वी लव टू एनिमल्स. हमें एनिमल्स को बहुत प्यार देना है, बहुत केयर करना है. ओके, सो दिस इज द चैप्टर नंबर 12. Okay, in our next class we learn about chapter number 13. Okay, clear? So goodbye and take care. And also give me the answer in the comment box. Okay, clear?